The silent sacrifice. Beyond borders. Rafiq tightened the straps of his dusty work boots and stepped out of the labor camp into the blistering heat. Another day of welding under the unrelenting sun. For 6 years, this had been his life in the Gulf. Work, eat, sleep, repeat. Thousands of miles away, in a quiet village nestled in the green hills of his homeland, his family reaped the fruits of his labor. Every month, without fail, he sent most of his salary home. His children went to good schools, his wife had a new phone, and his mother's medicine was always paid for. But what he received in return was silence. No thank yous, no video calls, just an occasional list of needs and wants. The distance grows. Back home, life moved on. His son Samir had started playing football, hoping to join the school team. His daughter Fatima loved drawing and had won a school competition. His wife Amina often joined her friends for tea, where they shared pictures of home renovations and new clothes. Rafiq sends money, yes, she'd say, but what's the use if he's never here? His mother, growing more frail each day, rarely asked for him. He's forgotten us, she murmured. None of them noticed how his absence had become normal. The collapse. It happened suddenly. One evening, Rafiq collapsed at the construction site. His co workers rushed him to the hospital. Diagnosis exhaustion and dehydration. He had pushed himself too hard, too long. There were no visitors, no one to bring him food or comfort. The monthly remittance didn't come. Back home, bills started piling up. School fees were delayed. Groceries dwindled. That's when Amina tried calling. No answer. She called again and again. Nothing. Panic set in.
Realization weeks later, a letter arrived, handwritten from a kind nurse who had cared for him. Your husband is recovering. He was severely overworked. He needs rest. Amina's hands trembled as she read it aloud. Silence followed. For the first time, the family felt the weight of his absence. They had lived in comfort, blind to his suffering.
Return. 6 months later, Rafiq returned home, thinner, slower, but alive. The village hadn't changed, but his children had grown. Samir now taller, Fatima more confident. They stood awkwardly at the door. Then Samir ran forward and hugged him tightly. You were gone too long, Baba. I missed you. Rafiq smiled, tears in his eyes. I missed you too, beta. Behind him, Amina lowered her gaze. We didn't realize how hard it was for you. He nodded gently. Now you do. Rafiq didn't return abroad. He found small jobs nearby, less money but more presence. In the evenings, he sat with his children, listened to their stories, and watched them grow. The house was quieter, simpler, but now finally it felt like home.